Alright, welcome to the tutorial today. On this tutorial, we're going to learn how to upload video on YouTube channel, and step by step we can use to do that, because we've realized that most of the time a lot of people find it so difficult to actually post on their YouTube channel. This is my laptop, this is me. I'm into graphic design. I do a lot of beautiful designs like you can see here. Alright, let's go back to what we're after today. How to upload video on YouTube and has a very good result with it. To do that, it's very easy and it's very simple. Alright, so welcome back. I have already created a video in which I want to upload on my YouTube channel. So all you have to do is, I'm on my YouTube page. Just see this icon here that my cursor is going around it. Click on it. You see upload videos, go live, create posts. Inside there, just click on upload video, and when you click on that upload video, it will take you to your file manager or file folder on your PC, where your video that you already edited. And remember, you already have a video where you edited, you drafted, you have your thumbnail, everything ready, and you click on select file. After this interface comes up, select file is coming up, is referring you back to the file manager. Okay, it has come up, and then you go to the place where your file is being stored. Like here, I'm going to my documents, then I'm going to this particular video that I want to upload. This is right here, Camtasia Studio. Click on it, and then see the video I want to upload. How to upload video on YouTube the right way. So I click on that video and go down here and click on open, and it will leave my file manager down to my YouTube page. Alright, so the video is uploaded to my channel now. Now here is where you need to be very serious and very careful when you're uploading video on YouTube. The video is processing, it's kind of uploading. Now this page, you input the details about your video, your elements, checks whether there's any copyright and visibility, how to post and upload it. So take a very good listening ear here. So you can see the video description, the title of the video. It's also on this page too. How to upload video on YouTube the right way. You can still change it here, because this also helps you to get more views too. So we can still leave it this way, or you upload it another way. Alright, so I've usually alright, so you can still leave it this way, or you can still get another subtitle, but that will also help to boost searchable keywords in your video. So I will copy that title which I've already put there, copy it, and go to ChatGPT to ask me to paraphrase, paraphrase it. So how to upload video on YouTube the right way. Paraphrase it. Paraphrase, okay, and then enter. And it will actually write the same video. Okay, so I think I like this one. The proper way to upload a video to YouTube. Best practices for uploading, step-by-step guide to uploading videos correctly on YouTube. Uploading to YouTube the smart and effective way. Okay, let me just go with the simplest one. I think I like this. The proper way to upload a video on YouTube. You copy and go back to your YouTube channel and you paste. They're all saying the same thing, but different words. How to upload video on YouTube. That on the file. Now here, proper way to upload a video on YouTube. So you have YouTube, you have upload, and how, way, proper way, how. They kind of link together. Okay, so that's good. Now, description. I'll go back to ChatGPT to help me write a description for this video. Write a description like a professional about this video. Right. So YouTube has this ChatGPT has generated the description that I'm going to put on my video. You can see all in here. All right, that is good. So I'm going to copy this and put it on my description tag button. Copy. All right, and go back to YouTube and paste in my description. You see that? You can also go through it to make sure that there's no mistakes. Say learn how to upload videos to YouTube the right way. In this step-by-step tutorial, we guide you through professional process of uploading videos to YouTube for maximum impact. Whether you are a beginner or looking to improve your current workflow, this video covers everything from file preparation and optional settings to writing effective titles, description, and choosing the right tags and thumbnails. What you will learn: best video formats, how to write, comparing, and all that. So I'm okay with that. So I go to the next. Here, upload your thumbnail you already made, or you allow the AI to generate it for you, auto generated. But I'm going to upload because I already prepared a thumbnail for this particular video. On my documents page, okay, let me click on this and upload it. It's uploading the file. File corrupted. Okay, let's go back there. Alright, so the file has been uploaded. This is the thumbnail I actually generated with ChatGPT. You can see how beautiful it is. So you upload your thumbnail like that. If you don't have it, you can just leave that option that says the generated version of it. Like I can go back here and delete it. Right. Okay. So you can see the thumbnail I generated for this particular video is how to start uploading YouTube video 2025. Very nice design and title. So the next one is the playlist. Like this video, I don't have a playlist for it. I have other videos like video intro. I have about 3 videos here. I homemade products, a lot of videos here, but I don't have anyone. I don't want to add. I will just leave that place blank. Go down. When I was creating my YouTube channel, I already set this as all my videos are not made. Okay, so YouTube automatically upload my video that way. Age restriction. Okay, you click on show more. You scroll down. My video contain paid promotion like a product roadmap special. If you click on it, you have some things to do with YouTube, but I'm going to leave that place because it doesn't have such a thing. Then here, it says altered content. They have 3 options here. Makes a real person appear to say or do something they didn't say or do. After alters footage of a real event or place, generates a realistic looking scene like AI generated video. My videos are original, so I just click on no. Always click on no. Then these other ones are automatically that way. Then tag. I can also go to ChatGPT to generate a tag for me because it's not always easy. Now, he say you must have about 500. That's the highest tags you must put here. Okay, so let me show you an example on what I do to get my tags and upload them here. I also use ChatGPT. So I just go to ChatGPT and say generate write hash tags for this video. You click enter. Alright, so it has generated tags. So there's a problem here. If I went ahead to copy the entire this, I may have a problem when I want to put them on my YouTube channel. So you have to copy it one by one. Let me show you the example. If I just go here now and click on copy it and go to YouTube to put there, it will tell me there's a problem with it. See, it won't allow that. So all you have to do is go there, copy it one by one. It'll take your time. It's going to save you a lot of stress. Copy, go to there, put one by one. Go back here, you copy, okay, copy, go back to YouTube, add, okay, like that, and you copy all. It's good to get at least 200. Some people can even upload up to 500 hashtags about their particular video, and it also helps the algorithm. When people are searching for video related to how to upload videos, by this hashtag you're able to find your video, and it's gonna be a good thing. So far so good. I've put almost 349 hashtags. So far so good. It's good to have a lot of hashtags so that when people come online to search videos related to this nick, your video can also pump up, and that is how you make use of the algorithm. SEO, engine search optimization, is very very good. So, okay, so we are done with the description and the hashtag. The next is this other options here. It says select language. You can see this option. Since you want anybody, no matter where they're coming from, to read, if you choose a language, it means a particular set of people are the ones that are going to see this video. Because that's it. So please do standard license, leave this place. Short mix, allow. This particular place you can choose other options, but it's always recommended use how to, because my video is about how to start, how to, so use how to and start. I'll leave that. Okay, so after you put all the hashtags, check the wording, the number of words that can enter there. Okay, I think that is good. You check languages, you check standards, they're okay. You click on next. Check there's no copyright issue, both music and the video in question. You click on next. There's the final but not the least. Add subtitles. It's not allowed. Select the video language before adding subtitles. Okay, since I didn't click on that, add end screen. Import from video. End screens, like how you want the video to actually look like in the end of the video. Okay, import from video. Okay, you can add all of them. All right, so go down here and add the end screen. Drag this line down here. Okay, I'll just leave it that way. That'll be better. Right, you can select from here. All right, so test media, subscribe and stream. It's already saved on the computer, so you can leave that. Save. You're done with that. Then the add card. Okay, you click on add card. You still do the selection we did the other time. Okay, I don't like this. Go down to the beginning. You can still use all this, and then you add a playlist. You can create a playlist. Add a new playlist. I don't want to add it to any playlist, so let me go back and think University channel. I don't want it. Well, now this end card is like the next video you want to play after this video. That is why it's always good to put it. The next video after this video. That is the best way your videos get kind of recommended. So click on next. And then you click on next. And then the final but not the least. Since your video is not yet uploaded on YouTube, click on Unlisted. If you put it on private, only you and people who have subscribed to this your channel or your video are the one that will see it. So put it on Unlisted. Anyone with the video link can watch your video. Now later, when it has been uploaded on YouTube, you can now go and change it to public, or it automatically do that on itself. So I want to schedule this post. I don't want to upload it right away. So I'm going to choose, okay, June 2nd time. Let me do around 12 a.m. I hope I remember to go back and watch it as soon as the video is uploaded and add a comment. That way it will help the algorithm to realize that the video is good. Then you schedule it. Alright, so the video was uploaded to my YouTube channel, and that's the simplest way to upload your videos. You can see the video here. If I click on it, it will come up and I can watch. Okay, take me back here, my editing page. I already published it. Schedule. So after the time it has been published, the section that I selected will come up here. So it's all good. Alright, so you can play the video. System. Good. We ask you to share the link that you can reach other channel. So you can see now the video I just completed now. So when the video actually been uploaded on YouTube and it's published, you can go back and change it from this way. Alright, so if you like this video, just subscribe, because I'll be dropping more videos related to this later on. Alright, thank you.